Beautiful morning down here, Moonta Bay, fishing on the jetty, trying to catch some crabbies. I got some idiot that wants to wants to swim right where we're trying to fish. I might throw my squid jag at him and at least I'll catch some. You friggin' pelican. Spearfishing, well, bad luck, go somewhere else. Crabbies out. Day. How are you feeling, baby? You drove all the way here while I slept? I didn't really sleep, I sort of just had my eyes closed. Was I snoring? No way, man.
You can't deny.
Alright, chuck the crab net out. Show us your skills. A Filipino crab net thrower. Hey, don't hit me. Perfect, that's right where we see them bloody walking around too. Good shot. Good shot. Let me check back in when we pull them up. That's the first throw. We haven't pulled any yet, so it doesn't look like there's much around though. Anyway, let's see.
Really have no price, mate.
No, people are trying to fish, mate. Come on. Go, Bubsy, get some crabbies. One down.
3 more.
Our first drop of the crab nets. Let's see what happens. Great morning down here today. Heaps of people on the jetty though. Where is that? Hang on a sec. First catch of the day. Look at the monster. Let go. Oh my gosh.
Monster.
Monster.
On the timber like that, see your fingers and see how small it is.
It is quite small.
One day you can make a big one.
Yeah. Tiny little leather jacket. See you, buddy.
If you come for fishing,
Do you even know what you're looking at?
Where is it? Oh my god, it's coming. My Bubsy is catching a squid, big one.
First one of the day.
We'll have a look.
Oh, it's a horse. Not really.
It's coming. Just don't squirt on me. Oh! Good one. Catch of the day. First catch. That's big. There's another one coming.
Dun dun dun. And voila. Go, baby. Chuck it. Good shot. With no crabs. Only 2 crabbies so far. 2 crab. What we got? 2. Oh, the bloody bird's gonna eat our friggin' bait, the little bastard. Oh, he did. He pitched out bait. You
Oh,
little
drop
shit. He wants our bait. Good. Nothing again. But he fell through. Voila. Nothing again.
That's what I said, it's seaweed.
You can eat that, can you?
I don't know, in the Philippines it's like green, but this one's brown, so I don't know.
Taste it.
No. Look at this.
I'm not eating it. You can eat it. We've got no fish, so we may as well eat seaweed. Delicious, huh? Not really. Don't shit on me. Check the others. There's a little legend fisherman there. No. Oh, we got a rock crabby. A shitty rock crabby. Get him up.
Sorry.
Careful, don't fall in. I'm not jumping in. Yeah. Stay still, little bastard. Ugly rock crab, no good. Tastes like garbage. See you, fella. This little legend. Okay, try again.
Oh, this is too high for me.
Voila, again. Try again. Oh, bugger all. And oh, a baby one. Give him a jiggle. And your little baby. Oh, just chuck him back out then. Not much, baby. Not much.
Oh, 3. Is it 3? 2?
Two crabbies, one squid. Get some trumpeters. Good job, Polly's got another squiddly diddly. I don't know if you can see it. Where am I looking? Just going into the shade. And, oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Watch out, point it away from the shit. Good job. That's squiddly dilly. What a baby. we got so far. Looking a bit lonely. We've got one squid in the bag. All the crabbies. One more squid for the bag. Two squid, two crab. And trying to film. Alright, let's see. Got my GoPro tied on a piece of string. I'm going to drop it in the water and see what happens. See if we can see some fishies. Still not much. Two squid, two crab, is that right? Or three squid? Two. Oh, and as I look away, typical, she catches a shitty. They're called trumpeters. I don't know if you can hear it, but
No, it doesn't.
okay. Yeah, you listen.
Oh yeah.
Don't know if you can hear him.
Let me squeeze it hard.
Anyway, bye bye fishy. Trumpeters. Get a squiddly diddly for bait.
I'm professional.
You are a professional. Don't go fishing without your burley, guys. Well, the fish won't find you. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, and there we go. What's that one? Is that a Tommy? No, might be a Tommy. No, it's a big freaking trumpeter again. It's a biggie. I can't really, I've got the camera rolling. You want to pull the hook? Okay, drum roll. Voila. Still only two crabs, two squid. Oh, and plenty of shitties. Guys, that's all that's hanging around. They're buggers to get off the hook, aren't they? They're shits. Very, very windy. Bugger all around. Hard-working Filipinos, they don't catch you nothing. You caught more than me. I know we got a squid each.
Voila!
Negative again. Nothing. Damn, I want to take the drone for a fly, but it's too bloody windy. There's two more down there. And negative. That's a wrap from Moonta. Time to bail. It's too bloody windy. Maybe not much luck. Hecked up. Now, what do you have to say? Sure, you want? We'll say bye-bye, Moonta. Back at the car park. Back in the car and away we go home. Get something to eat. Oh, you can drive.